there, writers. This is Mrs. McNulty with the Lackawanna College Writing Center. Welcome to a very quick tutorial on setting up your Google Doc in MLA format. So first things first, you open up your document. You make sure that you have a title that will make it easy to document because you will be working on your essay multiple times. I always like to put my course, what type of essay it is, and maybe the topic, so that it's easy to find. Next, make sure that your document is in the proper MLA font. So we go to the top, we select our font, which is Times New Roman, over to the right to size 12. Perfect. Next, we are going to make sure that we are in the proper spacing. Go up to the top to Format, Line Spacing, and select double. It will default to a different spacing. Perfect. Now we are ready to start our header. So at the very top of the page, very left, you start your header with your name in proper capitalization, followed by your professor's name. So let's go with our Writing Center director, Mrs. Kiesendahl. Also proper capitalization and punctuation. Your course code. So I've established this is for English 102, capital ENG, space 102. Now this funky date. MLA always has the day, the month, and then the year. It's best to make sure that you update your date to the submission date and you don't have an outdated date there when you first started your draft. Great. Next, you are ready for your title. You hit enter once, then you go up to the top and you select this button here that says center align. It's the little lines in the center, and you create your title. Don't play around with the tab. You'll probably estimate a little bit off, and then that throws off your whole formatting. Select a proper title, capitalizing the major words in the title. So notice that I did not capitalize is or any of those little connector words. I wouldn't capitalize words like of or unless it was the beginning of the title. When I start my essay, you hit enter once, you select left, then you hit tab and you begin your paragraph. That's all you do with spacing. You're not hitting enter a bunch of times. Before we end, make sure that your page numbers are properly formatted. All you have to do is go to Format again up at the top, go to Page Number, select it. Page numbers, you want it in the header, you want it on the first page. APA used to have it not on the first page. You want it to start with 1 unless you have directions otherwise. But for MLA, this is how it's set up. Hit apply and notice that it goes to the top right of your essay. It's outside of the body. Click your mouse to the left and put your properly capitalized last name in a space. No comma. Notice the difference in our fonts here. That's because unfortunately the font goes back to the default. So you make sure to highlight that and manually put it back in Times New Roman, 12, double click onto the body, and you are finished. You don't need to manually enter the page number again. That will automatically show up on every page. Your document is ready and you are ready to start your essay. As always, if you need extra help, please make an appointment in the Writing Center and stay tuned for more videos on MLA format.